Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Alive. Today, we'll learn about the parts of the body in a fun and real way. Are you ready? Let's wake up our English together. This morning, I looked at myself in the mirror. I smiled, blinked my eyes, and said, "Good morning, me. Let's look at the parts of our body. Head. This is my head. Eyes. These are my eyes. Ears. These are my ears. Nose. This is my nose. Mouth. This is my mouth. Hands. These are my hands. Legs. These are my legs. Feet. These are my feet. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can eat with my mouth. I can touch with my hands. I can walk with my legs. I can run with my feet. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a body part. Say it before I do. What's this? It's my eyes. What's this? It's my nose. What's this? They are my hands. Great job! You did amazing today. Now you can talk about your body in English. Don't forget to practice every day. With your voice, your eyes, and your heart. See you in the next episode of English Alive. Bye-bye.